Whiteboard Animation is a platform where one can create and educate audiences about their brand, product, and strategy. Here, the narrator explains the video that engages and helps the audience understand and remember it for a long time. Therefore, whiteboard replaces the traditional form of presentation. Let's see how whiteboard animation videos work. Whiteboard animation explains a video with a compelling style of storytelling and animated characters. It's not just engaging, but helps to precisely explain complex ideas. Here are a couple of factors that are to be followed for a compelling video. The first step is to have a great script, without which it becomes difficult for the audience to follow the narrator. Secondly, you have to create the animated characters you need, to have good artistic qualities to keep the audience interested. A great sense of humor could be added to have their undivided attention. Also, writing and drawing over the whiteboard during the storytelling keeps the attention of the audience intact. Furthermore, these videos can be made even more impressive by creating human-like characters that connect audiences on an emotional level. A question and answer, a riddle or an activity can be initiated at the end of the video that engages audiences on a subconscious level and generates anticipation. Whiteboards for your business. In our high-tech world, business marketing or advertising has been developing through the years to grab customers' attention. Whiteboard not just advertises its product but explains and makes the audience understand its use and advantages. In other words, it is a new-age marketing tool that enables a business to convey its marketing strategy to its customers in the form of a video. Giving strategic business management its proper priority will certainly improve an organization's chances over time. Here's why whiteboard animation is an essential purchase for any business. You can draft out your idea on a logo and slogan of your company. You can share your presentation on your product globally. It improves learning among students and employees. It facilitates the sharing of information through touch technology. They are affordable. They enhance the content. Makes it easy to explain content. Here's how whiteboard animation boosts the business strategy. 1. It strengthens and widens your customer base as each business works to hold back its old customers while simultaneously adding new ones to its list. Whiteboard animation does the trick by holding the viewer's interest in the audience expressively and transparently. It straightaway contributes towards building a positive trust and reputation and trust among its customers. 2. Its multi-skilled nature benefits business as it is vital to gain recognition. A company needs to mark its presence on all forms of digital media platforms. Whiteboard animation helps businesses to present in a crisp and engaging manner. 3. Its simplicity plays the keys to success. Whiteboard animation charms its viewers by using everyday use of colors, graphics, human-like characters, background audio and a good dose of humor. They quickly grasp the viewer's attention through a calm and relaxed look. Additionally, it gives life to your business ideas in a fascinating manner. 4. Its increased conversion rate. Whiteboard animation has led to increased conversion rates for several businesses, as its smart storytelling techniques draw attention to a broad range of target audience and viewers. 5. Its compatibility with new-age devices. Whiteboard animation videos are compatible with all new-age devices, including smartphones and iPads, which means the user can visit your website through their phones or desktops. Also, it can be shared across various platforms. 6. It captures interest like no other. It is evident that no textual and visual presentations or audios can beat a whiteboard animation video in terms of capturing a customer's attention and help them retain the information in their memory. When done right, it leaves a lasting impression on the minds of everyone who views them. 7. It uses art as optimized technology. Flying cars, talking animals, dancing objects, mind-blogging images and scenarios can be created with whiteboard animation. It also expresses joy, sadness, anxiety, fear and laughter that connect viewers to the brand or organization. To wrap up, whiteboard animations are effective, cheaper, innovative and keep growing. These videos are fun to watch, as they offer a visual array of colorful artwork. It can also convey a business message to its audience in a compelling manner. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.